So let's go back. We're going to check the fault for reading part. And here you have the number on the fault. There's the description right in the middle. And where you'll see this I sign is the freeze frame data. That means you're going to be able to see when the fault happened and the current state right here, the priority to. Let's go back, and when you have the question mark, it's actually more like help. That means it will take you to technical data. So for example, on this fault, it's engine oil temperature sensor. There's an over temperature. It takes you right directly to the component on the technical data side, and you can see an image on the part, and also the pinout, also the values related. So it gives you the resistance value that it should have, or just display them. As far as system check, you can have a look at the high pressure solenoid valve. Here's an overview. You can modify the variables like the engine speed to check the system. Here there's another one, the fuel feed pump. Here's the initial conditions, and you can do here the modifications. Basically, it's a lot of maintenance related to these engines. You have wiring diagrams available and vehicle data, so that means you have maintenance information related to this engine. Let's check the wiring diagram, and here you have an overview of so you can see all the different components, and you can scroll over them. You can select them from here, and it will take you directly. It will give you an image on the part. Here it shows you the actual location on the engine. So depending on the component, it will give you more technical data, like the values and all that. We're gonna run some live monitoring. Here's an overview on the system. This is the field system. Gives you the current values. That's why they're moving and changing. And also you can select individually. So if you want to check the oil pressure switch, or let's see, oil level sensor, let's find the temperature. And here you can actually select each one. Look at the both, compare, and here you have this overview. Of course, when you do the recording, you can record like the way you prefer to view it, and also it will come up at the end of your diagnostic. So depending on the fault and the brand and model of the equipment, you have some troubleshooting available, like in this case. We're gonna see, and it's a document. Sometimes it comes by steps, so it will give you step 1, do this, and then you select yes or no, and so on and so on. So here's the technical, the troubleshooting related to this fault here. It will give you all the instructions up to final recommendations. It's a really great coverage on this engine. We're gonna see the calibration side. It's in the solenoid valve. Here's how you do it. That's an overall view on how it works on this JCB. Here's the final report. And there you have all the information and the faults that you found, the system checks that you did, the values related, just all the technical data that you got. And if you did run a regen or something, it will give you like the final results. You can add comments, you can save it, you can print it. There's where you add the comments here. You can even add pricing if you want to use this of your.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.